In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email campaign in Mailerlite. Start by opening your browser and searching for Mailerlite. In the results, look for the official Mailerlite website. Make sure the address looks correct and secure before you proceed. Then click the link to open the site. Once you're on the home page, click Log In. Enter your credentials and complete any security prompts. After you're in, you'll see the main dashboard. From here, navigate to the Campaigns tab. This is where you manage one-time email sends and their settings. Click the Create Campaign button to begin. Next, choose your campaign type. Regular is the standard one-time email blast, great for newsletters, announcements, or promotions. If you'd like to compare different subject lines or content, choose A/B split. This lets you test variations and automatically send the winner to the rest of your audience based on performance. If you publish content on a blog and want it to go out automatically, pick RSS to send new posts as they're published. And if you want a second chance to reach people who didn't open your first send, select Auto Resend to automatically follow up with a modified subject line or message. Now pick how you want to design your email. The drag and drop editor is ideal if you want a polished layout with images, buttons, and sections without touching code. The rich text editor keeps things simple and clean, similar to writing a plain email with light formatting. If you have a custom design or templates from a developer, choose the custom HTML editor. Open your chosen editor and start customizing. Add your logo, set your brand colors, write a clear subject line and preview text, and keep your copy scannable with short paragraphs. Use descriptive alt text for images and ensure buttons have clear calls to action. Preview on desktop and mobile so spacing and fonts look right across devices. When your content is ready, click Done Editing. You'll see a summary of your campaign. This is a good moment to double-check your subject line, the sender details, and any links in your email to make sure everything is accurate. Finally, choose when to send. You can send now for immediate delivery, schedule it for later to time it around launches or events, or send based on time zones so subscribers receive it at a consistent local time. Once you've made your selection, confirm and click Send. Your campaign will go out according to your choice, and you'll be ready to monitor results afterward.